Okay, more things for review from HiLetgo, and they've kindly been sent to me, and well, for review. Now let's have a look now. I'm not sure what's in this one. Alright. Let's see what this is. I haven't got a clue yet. Ah, there we go. Now, haha. These are soldering iron tips. So I'll show them in use, but they are quite large, which is great. I don't know about you, but I burn through soldering irons at the rate of about one every month and a half, something like that, because I use both of the tips up very quickly. These have got very fine ends to them, which is fantastic for SMD soldering and the likes, and of course the standard size of the main shaft part there. So yes, I will most certainly be doing an extra video for those, just to show them in operation. I'll open these other two. Okay, what's this? Oh, a screen, right, okay. I'll be doing a screen video. I'm probably using an Arduino, and I'll post more details in a minute about this one. This is just the unboxing, of course. I'll probably do separate videos for each of them. But, right, okay. 0.96 OLED, I believe, that one. It might be the colour one, and if so, that'll be great. And here... oh, right, okay, this I think is a, with wattage load as well, a LiPo tester, battery tester. And I've been looking forward to getting something like this because I've got a lot of ex-laptop 18650s that I have got no idea what the amount of charge they can hold is on them, what kind of state they're in. So that's why I've got this one. I'll definitely be enjoying doing a review of that. Right, I'll round out this video by talking about these soldering iron tips, and I have to do each one separately because then I put these videos onto Amazon, and that's how I get the money back into PayPal. So the thing is, these are very interesting indeed. They've got a hole, which you might be able to see at the end, and I thought, well, that's too big to go in the iron. But what you do is, here's another iron. Here's the original sort of thing that you get from the ones from, say, Walmart or whatever, and these in fact fit over the end of your original end party soldering iron, so they go on very firmly, and you end up with that kind of a look to the thing. And I thought that was quite an impressive way of doing this. So what I'm going to do now is heat this up and solder something. Right, so does this assembly work? Well, I've left it on for a couple of minutes now to heat up, and piece of wire, pre-tinned actually, forgot to bring the solder over here. Yeah, that's stuck. Okay, well, just for example, that is that other end of that other soldering iron. You can see how fast those things normally chew up, and I tend to use pliers to try and make them thinner again or whatever, but personally for me these are going to work out much better. So what have we got here? Well, HiLetgo soldering iron tips. There's 10 pieces of them in each package. They're 900 MTI copper nickel iron. They're for low temperature irons. They're a standard fit over the regular ends, which I just really like that idea. 0.4mm head width, $6.49 free shipping, and there'll be a link in the description. So for me, because that is a really good join anyway, definite winner. Okay, thanks for watching.